5 years ago, we were a small team with big ideas, challenging a $1 trillion system. We had heard it all. Nutrition won't scale. Employers won't pay for that. People won't engage. But we knew something they didn't. People don't want more healthcare. They want more health. So we built, we tested, we refined. Late nights, hard pivots, stress, tears, lots of tears. Then breakthroughs. The first employer who said yes. The first client who said, we want more of this. This is amazing. And the first data set that proved this works. Conviction became evidence, and evidence became outcomes. At Launch My Health, we connect the dots between food and claims, between daily habits and real outcomes. We make it simple, doable, actionable, zero fluff. So here's the real question. What happens when employers stop buying sick care and start investing in real health? That's the future, and we're building it.